Good morning. I got a project today. My kid is dropped off his car. He suspects that it's got some problems with it. I have put it up on my car hoist so I can work on it a little better. Not much of a car, but it is a car. I got it sitting on the correct spots for lifting points, front and back. It's secured at my heights for comfortable working conditions. He suspects that he's got a front wheel bearing gone out. He says the car pulls going down the road. I'd say he's probably right. So let's tear into this thing and see what I find. I go to pull the front brake caliper off so I can get this hub apart. There's one brake shoe. Where's the other one? There's no other brake shoe. And no, it did not fall out on the ground. There's absolutely nothing left of that wheel bearing. And that is also ruined. This is going to cost a lot of money. Alright. Sorry it's loud in here. I have not taken any bolts off that holds the hub onto this front strut. That's the wheel bearing. Alright, I got the brake rotor off. As you can see, there is nothing left of this front hub. Here's the old wheel bearing. Wore the back of the studs off. There's no hub. I had to cut that off. I had to cut that hub off. Here's the new one. Nice and pretty. I gotta go get a bolt though, because I had to cut one of the bolts off on that one. Hello, it's a little loud in here because I got a big heater going, but I have installed a new wheel bearing back here. You can't see it. Actually, it's part of this. New rotor, new caliper, because whoever did the brakes only put one brake pad on and it wore the piston of the rotor out. Hooked up the brake line again. Now I can just put the tire back on and go to the other side and put new rotor on and new pads on the other side. That wheel bearing's all right on the other side. And then this car will be good to go.